Welcome back. The circuit for this sketch is similar to the circuit from Lesson 2. You will need one LED, one 220 ohm resistor, and two jumper wires. This time we will wire the LED ground leg directly into the ground rail. Put the longer leg of the LED into a row on the breadboard and attach one leg of the resistor to the same row. Use a jumper wire to connect one of the GND pins to the negative power rail. Next, use a jumper wire to connect the resistor to one of the pulse width modulation pins. In this circuit, we're using pin number 5 to send the PWM signal that controls the LED brightness. See you in the next lesson. Keep building and keep learning.